Welcome to Penn State Schuylkill. Behind me is the science wing of our classroom building. Inside are classrooms and laboratories that are the training grounds for future generations of scientists and healthcare workers. Professionals like those we have seen so bravely step up around the globe this year to care for the afflicted and to develop therapeutics and vaccines to combat the deadly COVID-19 virus. Preparing such dedicated professionals is in our institutional DNA. For over 86 years, Penn State Schuylkill has delivered on our land-grant mission to provide access to affordable, high-quality education, to conduct and promote research to improve people's lives, and to engage with our communities in order to make them better places to live. Today, we are here to unveil updated and renovated laboratories for chemistry, physics, and radiological sciences, facilities that are crucial to our mission. These improvements would not have been possible without the philanthropic support of many friends of Penn State Schuylkill. Thank you to our donors for your generosity and your partnership in helping us prepare the next generation of scientists and healthcare workers. Because of you, they will learn in modern laboratories with the latest equipment. Thank you. And now, let's step inside and take a look.